Well, hello general chemistry students. I wanted to take some time to introduce myself and our class as we begin on Monday. My name is Dr. Gartner. I am going to be your professor for general chemistry this semester and maybe next semester, and I look forward to meeting each and every one of you. But I wanted to introduce myself before we get ready for class. I'm a Chapman alum. I graduated from Chapman in 2005, which is crazy that it's 15 years ago now. And I was an undergraduate in chemistry, and Chapman looks a lot different now than it used to. The new science building that we will get to move into and utilize when we go back on campus wasn't here. A lot of things were different, but the same ethos of personalized education and getting to know your professors is what drew me here, and it's what drew me back. After graduating, I went off to UCI to get my PhD in atmospheric chemistry. And then I came back as a teaching faculty to teach classes. I teach general chemistry and analytical chemistry, so I'll have you again maybe if you're a chem major or maybe a chem minor and you want to take that class as a minor. And back to our class, right? This class is one we're going to lay the foundations of chemistry. And maybe you have a background from AP chemistry down to no chemistry in high school. We're all going to be at the same level playing field at the beginning, trying to build up these concepts that we're going to go in depth into them. Maybe you've been exposed to them in a chem class in high school, maybe you weren't, but we're all going to kind of collaborate together to learn this information. Now, how will we do that? We're going to be taking these classes online through Zoom. We're going to utilize breakout rooms a lot where I'll put you into smaller groups, the same small groups throughout the whole semester, where you get to work with that same group where you can meet each other and get to know each other and get each other's phone numbers and meet offline and outside of class and study together. And during those times, you're going to be given some discussion prompts or some challenging questions or ideas to think through that you're going to then have the ability to discuss and work through, and then we'll come back and discuss them as a larger class. So that helps take our class of 40 down to maybe sizes of 4 or 5 that we get to know and feel comfortable with and have these discussions with. Now, in order for us to have the time to do that, I've created some OLMs, and if you've read the syllabus, you know what those are. If you haven't, that's fine. It's an online learning module, and those are going to be where you're going to be exposed through either a video and a reading to some of the content, and then some follow-up questions to kind of assess and feel comfortable ourselves that we understand the information that we gained from that reading and or video. That's going to help prepare us for class. So we'll have one of those every single class, and that will get us ready so that way we can go a little bit deeper than we would if we didn't have any exposure to that material before class. So we'll have every one of those every single class period, and then we'll have our kind of normal Zoom classes that you'll be able to access through Canvas. So I'm going to be utilizing Canvas to the greatest extent that I can, where everything that you're going to need is going to be a one-stop shop in that Canvas course that you're going to be able to find all that information. But I look forward to meeting you, seeing you, hearing from you in our first week of class on Monday. My last thing I want to mention is that I would love to get to know you a little bit more. It's harder in a class of 40. If you want to, you can go again to our Canvas course and schedule a one-on-one meeting with me, and we can chat through Zoom, get to know each other, get to know your background and things you're interested in, so we can hopefully tackle some of those ideas or concepts or information that you're interested in during our course this semester. So I look forward to seeing you all on Monday, and I hope you have a great rest of your time as you prepare for classes.